In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. This is a great example of the customised approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.